Sir?
How are you?
Don't hurt yourself now. No, you guys didn't see. Just stand further this way.
Huh?
Just stand back out this way.
I already got that. I want to get it on top so they can see it. You know, I don't want them to wonder, oh, what's that?
August 29th, 2023. 2 adults are detained at a South Florida Walmart for suspected shoplifting, and a question about a missing receipt hardens into a felony arrest. This breakdown skips the play-by-play. The focus is the law that controls each decision the officers made and where those decisions hold up or fall apart.
Yeah, the signal 30. 10-4. What do we have?
Them walking out with it.
What do you want to do?
Well, I gotta wait and see if they got a receipt, and if they don't, they're gonna go in our office.
All right, well, you gotta let me know what you guys saw, what you have. Either we got them detained or we don't.
They obviously bagged it.
I know. Well,
Hey, Mom. Is your mom here? Yeah. Get your mom here. Get you guys out of here. Did you pay for it? She did. She did. Where is she? She's out in the car. We need her. Coming? You coming?
let's walk back to the office, Kevin. Grab that car. Y'all, let's walk back. Have Mama, she can come to customer service and bring the receipt. All right? Let's walk back. Just follow him with the basket. Just follow him with the basket. Yeah, they not producing that right now.
So, this here one.
How old are you? How old are you, sir? 21. 21? Both y'all 21? All right. So listen. What's the response that Mama sent? You need to show me that now. I'm gonna place both of you under arrest. Show me the response that Mama sent. Y'all gotta show me something now.
That's my cousin.
That's your cousin?
Yeah.
Show me the response that your cousin is saying with the receipt. Don't let us go through all this, because if you give us a hard time, you're gonna wind up in jail.
Right. Just be honest with us and we'll get it.
Hello?
Only person I want to talk to is who paid for it. That's it.
Yes.
Who is this?
Hello?
Hey, you talk to her. We need the receipt.
Joy, where do we see that? What?
This.
Hang up. All right. Both of y'all under arrest right now, right? You got any weapons, anything on you? Stand up.
Just be John, you guys bag up your shit over there in the corner?
Have a seat.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But it wasn't us.
All right, good. Big bag.
They shooting by your house, close by. 14. Knife and golf, they shooting. I said knife and golf, they shooting right now. It's close by you, right? Yeah. You get 13. That's in the Westwood, right? I know. That used to be my area my first 12 years. Yeah. Where were you born at? Good. I gotta verify who you are and everything, and I'll let you use the phone a bit. I really don't like people using the phone when they're under arrest, or I don't like family members and all that shit showing up. But
But I wasn't trying to be sarcastic. They just probably know the situation we're in.
yeah. 917-7.
Is that the update?
Yes, 2 by name.
You guys been stopped at Walmart before? Have you been stopped at Walmart before? No.
Have you been stopped at a Walmart before?
At any Walmart?
Any Walmart?
I don't like,
It's a yes or no? All right. So I'm gonna have to bring somebody with a fingerprint reader. If you lying to me about your name, I can guarantee you're gonna go to the county tonight for a felony grand theft. All right, I'm just telling you. You be honest with me. Tell me your name. This will go over a lot smoother. If I gotta call a deputy to come here with a fingerprint reader, you're gonna piss me off, and I'll spend my time typing and adding charges. It's up to you.
On the 917 you going there?
917-7. Yeah, but it's gonna be a while. We got 2 baskets full. We're just getting started. Copy. Got 1 male, 1 female. Both adults. I'll take your correct name. Come over here. What's your right name? Your first name?
Yeah.
W-I-L-K-E-V-I-O-U-S. Saint Germain? With J-E-R-G?
Yeah.
M?
AI.
Okay. Were you born in Belgrade? All right.
On the 917
917-7.
I go for sure.
You can call or you can play code 14.
958.
Send it. One second.
That's what, but he gave you a facility first thing and more. And the last thing
You know what they did?
and we have
Why you fucking with me, man? Huh? I said, why you fucking with me for? Why we gotta go through all this? You still gave me the wrong shit after come on, man.
So this is just a misdemeanor.
Stand up.
So yeah, we're gonna prosecute you for it. I should get my phone.
No, you're under arrest.
No, I'm saying you going with me, right?
Yeah, oh yeah. They're definitely going with you. You got warrants anyway. Guess what your warrants for?
What?
Lying to the police. You got warrants for giving a false name to the police.
Oh, they also got alcohol. They got alcohol.
Have a seat.
How old are you? You're how old?
You got warrants.
Oh, you guys are 21. Oh, okay. I thought you were young.
All right, what you say the total is? What was the total?
82.
This ain't no misdemeanor.
Oh, it's 958.37.
Anything over 750 or felony.
Oh, I thought it was 1,000.
Nah. That's
Man,
nah, that's yeah.
I thought it was 1,000.
No. He got warrants anyway.
Good case.
I don't know about all that. Oh,
Miss Jones? Sir?
How are you?
Don't hurt yourself now. No, you guys didn't see. Just stand further this way.
Huh?
Just stand back out this way.
I already got that. I want to get it on top so they can see it. You know, I don't want them wondering, oh, what's that?
Boyfriend, girlfriend? Just friends? Okay.
You know, I want us
What's that?
Do you want us to have him sign it real quick?
It's his party. I don't want to. Let him do this
Sign this one, take a picture of that, you guys can have it.
That's all Jones's stuff.
I'll have evidence and everything for you guys before he leaves, before John leaves.
That's fine. It's Jones's baby, not ours.
I know.
We're here to assist.
Huh?
We're here to assist.
Yeah.
That's all.
I always come in here whenever something's going on.
I know you do.
You sure all right?
I always do. Good. A lot of shit, right?
That is
Well, I
all
don't like
shit.
playing around with like one little thing or something. You know, deter that. But when they're going out with shit like that, that's what we want. That's what I want.
It's like when I was in the Coast Guard, we had the big drug bust, like 2,000 pounds of cocaine and pile it all right there. We start working on the property.
Yeah, they don't have much. It'll be easy.
What's their property?
Yeah. I just sent her 14.
Whose cell phone?
You gave your wrong name like 3
Oh yeah, I guess I'm gonna need that.
That's 49s for giving her a false name.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll do his. I just need his 14.
Yep.
This is not it.
Yeah, that's gonna be his correct Anton St. Germain.
Yeah. We could transport them together since it was the same time, right? Yeah.
So,
Do you have any jewelry? No earrings, necklaces, piercings? No? Okay. So this is the only property you have?
Okay. You have nothing else? No.
That's easy.
nothing in your bra, nothing they gonna find.
So they go county and find anything else, that's different charges.
You working right now?
St. Germain. So it's trespass warning. Can't come back for a year. Understand? I'm gonna go off in a second. So.
Got any tattoos? Scars, marks, anything? Those are McCarthy's cuffs. I never.
Okay.
Yeah.
And
What are McCarthy's? They got a chain on them? Or are they?
No, that's the officer's name. Who was the officer?
and then sign by there.
in the wheelchair? Yeah. He's been lying since I started working here. He used to be at all the nightclubs and telling the girls he had a penthouse in Palm Beach.
His address goes to 213.
213 what?
Matters. This is like one of the condos.
One of those places you can rent?
Yeah.
So, yeah. I mean, he's cool, you know. Yeah. I've been on him.
I actually like him a lot. He goes back and forth.
Yeah, he's harmless.
As a detail,
We didn't have to do this.
I can do it just to,
I'll take it with me just in case they find something.
yeah.
He sleeps behind the business right there at Daytor and Dixie. They have like a little patio with trees and hedges around it. Just lets him go back there and sleep at night.
We go to the bathroom and get something to eat in here real quick. How you doing? Hey, yeah, I guess her and her friend are caught shoplifting. So she's gonna be going out of county.
And you said it was over, well, it probably wasn't you, somebody called me. Said it was over $1,000.
Yeah, so it's a felony, so we have to take them to jail. If it's a misdemeanor, we can usually give them a court date and send them on their way. But I guess it was over the felony amount, so now we have to take them to county. And Walmart wants to press charges. So, but what usually happens, I guess she says it's first time being arrested. So she'll talk to a judge in the morning. Judge will probably let her go.
Who is the
Person she's with?
I don't even know him.
Okay.
I haven't even seen that person before. Who is the arrested officer?
Officer Jones, he's doing the paperwork right now. He's in there right now doing the paperwork. So. Other questions or anything else?
Yeah, Officer Joseph.
Jones, Jones.
Oh, that's Jones.
Yeah.
Paperwork, you know?
He should be almost done, and then we'll take her out to the car, and I'm going to drive both to county. Yeah, I'm driving him because he's working a detail here, so he's doing the arrest paperwork. Once he's all done with that, he'll give me the paperwork, then I'll take both of them in my car and drive to the jail. So, all right. Any other questions I can help you out with?
Yeah, because he could have just gave her a court date.
No, it's a felony. We have to take it. If it's a misdemeanor, like let's say he sold a pack of gum, okay, that's a misdemeanor. Here's your court date.
So I'm saying, was y'all, he had stuff and she had stuff?
Because they're working together.
So it was together?
Yes.
So that's why it was added together like that?
Yes.
Okay, I get it.
Yes. If they were separate and she was by herself and she only had a few things, then yeah, that's an option. We give them a court date. We usually try to do that as long as they're cool with us. They don't give us a hard time. We give them a court date. We send them on their way. So, but once
and nothing ever came up under her name because don't know police supposed to touch her.
Well, I mean, we have to when we arrest them.
Okay, no
That's
problem.
So,
Okay.
all right. How much was it for? You can use anyone. I want to get COVID.
No, it's
Not that way. Yeah, just sit back, put your butt in the seat, sit back just like that. The reason why we got the seat belts like that. You do?
yeah, you can unloosen it.
Turn the AC on us.
I can't hear you.
You can unloosen it.
I'm loose on.
It's,
These are loose on me. That is.
so this one right here.
Yeah, that you can move your wrist, your arm around. Yeah, that's just the way the cuffs feel.
Florida's retail theft law, section 812.015, lets a merchant detain someone when there's probable cause to believe a theft happened. Probable cause means facts, not a hunch. A brief stop only needs reasonable suspicion. An arrest needs more, namely, probable cause that a specific crime occurred, judged on what the officer actually knew when he acted. Retail theft has parts the state must prove. The person took merchandise, carried it past every register, and meant to keep it without paying. Suspicion alone doesn't fill those gaps. Intent is the hinge. The law reaches a temporary or permanent deprivation of the merchant's property, so a forgotten item or a real receipt can collapse the whole case. Asking for a receipt is fair investigation. It doesn't shift the burden. The shopper never has to prove innocence. The state proves the taking, the value, and the intent. Value is measured by the retail price at the moment the goods leave the shelf. That number decides everything because it sets whether this is a misdemeanor or a felony. The line sits at $750 under Section 812.014. The officers tally roughly $982 and $958 both past it. A full custodial arrest is allowed even for a minor offense. The Supreme Court settled that in Atwater versus City of Lago Vista, so the dollar value by itself wouldn't block an arrest. The officer refuses to add the two subjects' merchandise together, even though Florida allows aggregation in some cases. Charging each one alone is restrained discretion that works in their favor. Giving a false name carries its own statute, Section 901.36. Once someone is arrested or lawfully detained, lying about who they are is a first-degree misdemeanor. Here's the distinction that trips people up. The Fifth Amendment protects silence. It never protected a lie. So refusing to talk is a right, while inventing a name is a crime. That false name count is clean for the prosecutor. It stands on its own, untouched by whether the theft case ever sticks. One bad choice turned a single allegation into two. Courts have upheld laws that make a lawfully detained person identify themselves. The Supreme Court did exactly that in Hybel versus 6th Judicial District Court of Nevada. No rights warning is audible anywhere on this tape. Those warnings come from Miranda, and they're triggered before custodial interrogation, not the moment handcuffs go on. Asking name, age, and identity usually needs no warning. The Supreme Court carved out those booking questions in Pennsylvania versus Muniz as routine intake separate from interrogation about the offense. One question drifts. Asking whether they'd been stopped at a Walmart before probes the offense itself, and answers like that invite a fight over admissibility if the state leans on them. The sharpest problem is the officer warning he'll spend his time adding charges if he gets irritated. Charges rest on facts and statute, and tying them to mood is how vindictive prosecution claims are born. Working a paid Walmart detail doesn't shrink an officer's authority, but it sharpens the duty. The decision to charge has to track the law, not the store's appetite to prosecute. The weapons pat down before seating them is clean. A search incident to a lawful arrest is settled ground, and nothing here suggests it stretched past officer safety into a fishing expedition. The trespass warning barring return for a year is a civil property remedy. It runs alongside the criminal case and doesn't depend on a conviction to take effect. A handcuffed man cursing out of frustration hasn't committed a crime, and profanity isn't a threat. Nothing he says here would justify a hand laid on him in response. The officers keep their hands to themselves, which matters. The harder truth is that the theft case leans on loss prevention testimony and store video this camera never captured. The officers earn a B-. Lawful detention, a defensible arrest, restrained handling and discretion that spared the woman a felony, all sit on the right side of the ledger. What drags the grade down is talk no prosecutor wants on tape. The adding charges threat and the profanity turn a solid arrest into an evidence problem of the department's own making. The subjects land at C+. Neither one fought, neither one ran, and the encounter never turned physical, which kept a bad day from becoming a dangerous one. The drop comes from the false name because silence was free and fully protected. Choosing to lie instead handed the state a second charge that needs no shoplifting conviction to prove. The agency gets a B. The routine machinery worked from detention to inventory to transport, but the detail arrangement in that charging remark points straight at a training gap on charging integrity. The lesson for officers is plain. Anchor every charge to an element and a fact, never to a temper, because the body camera remembers the sentence you wish you could take back. For anyone stopped, the lesson is sharper. You can decline to answer and ask for a lawyer, but you cannot invent a name. Silence shields you. A lie builds the case against you. Cooperation is never required, yet honesty about identity costs nothing. A first-time arrestee usually sees a judge within a day, and the smartest move before that is to stop talking. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our channel for even more police interaction and courtroom content.